You want to draw a cute panda like this? Let's do it. So hey everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute panda using one brush. So let's get started. So I have already sketches, and as I told you, I'm going to use one brush, which is Baskerville, and using the black color as usual. You can use it because in this painting, in this painting, I'm going to use three color, basically main three color. I'm going to use it black, which is all of them black, a little bit light black, and the ash. These are the three color I'm going to use it. And for the bamboo stick, I'm going to use the green color. That's it. Not so much color, because this is only for the beginners who wants to learn digital art, who is starting a digital art, how to you can use the layer. You can follow this step. So watch till the end, and this is the only easiest way to draw anything. So as you can see, I have just going to use the black color in layer 1, and a layer 2 you can use it because the sketch should be in first layer. So I'm just showing you that this is for the tutorial purpose. So for when you try to draw like this, so I would suggest you go ahead with the different layer for the coloring. Any color you are going to use it, so try to use a different color. Don't follow actually don't have to do it on the same layer where you have sketches. So as you know that I have already used the black color for outline, and I'm going to just fill up those line where I have to just fill the black color to totally black color. I'm going to use it. Then I'm going to use a little bit light black one. Then I'll use the ash color. That's it. And if this is only the a beginner, so who can to draw digital art, who is learning something to new, so those people can follow these things. So this is the easiest step. And if you want to draw advanced a digital art, please visit my channel and check it out. There is lots of Procreate painting. As usual, I'm using Procreate, I forgot to tell you. And this is the easiest one, and panda is a cute animal. You can just, you cannot ignore these things, so you have to love. So I hope you can check I have already used the black color. Now I'm going to use a different layer for the a different color. You can use as my as I told you my previous video, that you should use a different color for different layer. So I hope you can check. I'm going to use it. It's all like a black, but it's not proper black. I'm going to use it. It's a little bit light one. If you can check the difference, you will get it. So I hope this is the easiest way you can use, as I told you at the beginning time, that you're going to use the only one brush. You don't need to use any different brush for this painting, this kind of painting. I'll show you different artwork as well. For this time in this video, I'm going to show you one painting, so you can check till the end and you will see the difference. I hope you can check. It's almost done. I have just using only two colors till now. One is a black, dark black, and one is little bit lighter one. So I hope the painting is look amazing till now. But I'm going to use two more colors, which the painting will amazing again. So I hope you can watch till the end, and do let me know in the comment section that how is it, and share your artwork, mention my channel name, so I will love to see your artwork. Okay, so check it out. I'm going to just do the rest of the step, and make sure you have to watch till the end. There is lots of things will come up now.